The International Serenity is an Eastern-inspired sanctuary on wheels for those who work hard and take their relaxation just as seriously. Every inch of the International Serenity is designed with balance and tranquility in mind. Inside, you'll feel the calming energy of light and warm neutrals, earthy textures, and subtle accents that will make all the difference. Airstream's QuietStream climate control system is powerful, yet quiet as a whisper, keeping you comfortable no matter where you travel. Its low-profile ducts easily and quickly cool the cabin almost silently. Storage space is never an issue in the Serenity, thanks to the overhead roof lockers with integrated LED lighting. And panoramic windows fill the room with light during the day, while blackout curtains let you shut it all out at night. Preparing meals is a breeze in the Serenity's spacious galley, featuring modern appliances and fixtures you'd expect to find in a residential kitchen. The ultra-leather upholstery is soft yet durable and long-lasting, so your furniture looks as beautiful on day one as it does down the road. And when you have company in town, the dinette easily converts into an additional sleeping area. The Serenity has everything you need to charge up, kick back, and relax, no matter where you go. The spacious and soothing bathroom in the International Serenity is full of soft, organic accents, bringing a sense of peacefulness and calm to the space. Consider the Serenity's bedroom your own personal sanctuary, with your choice of queen or double twin memory foam mattresses, plus ample underbed storage, and an LED TV. Getting out of bed may be the hardest part of your day. With 12 modern floor plans and 3 choices for interior decor, you can easily tailor your International Serenity to fit your lifestyle. And the Serenity comes with a 3-year limited transferable warranty, as well as 3 years of 24/7 CoachNet roadside assistance. With easy, peaceful style and purposeful design, the International Serenity earns its name everywhere you look. Find your nearest Airstream dealer and experience the International Serenity for yourself.